Wentworth Point, this is the best and the closest you'll get to waterfront living. You literally have water views from every single room.
Stylish, modern, and in an ultra-convenient location, could this be your dream come true?
The developer's Sekisui House's solid reputation is behind today's property in the low-rise Atlas complex. From the moment you enter, you'll notice its quality build and smart architectural design ensures that the water views are enhanced from every room. These views, in fact, are ever-changing, and even on an overcast day like today, the water magically mirrors the skyline in Rhodes. The design of the home is perfect for professional couples, downsizers, or even young families, as the bedrooms are separate for privacy and an integrated study nook ensures versatility. The Atlas building is only 9 years old, with its own complex pool. Its location ensures that it's seconds to the footbridge to Rhodes, Marina Square shopping, and the ferry wharf. There's also a primary school, a pocket park out front, and parklands nearby. The location of this property ensures that it will always serve as a great long-term investment. It is literally footsteps to everything.
And this view, well, it speaks for itself. Welcome home.